Hello and welcome, my name is Velanique and thank you for joining me today. In this space what I do is I test makeup for mature skin. I also scour the internet and see if I can find tips and tricks that help us apply our makeup and get fabulous results in this phase of life. But in today's video I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you my newfound hair routine. So as you can see, my hair has got some lovely little curls in it, and I must say I have thoroughly enjoyed finding this way of doing my hair. I was scrolling along Instagram a little while ago and I found this lovely account by this lovely lady called Ursula Mailet, and Ursula's hair looks very much like mine does dry. I'll insert a picture that you can have a look and see. This is my hair that has been dried naturally. It's just air dried. I brushed it and I let it dry. I never ever do that. Even if I go to the beach, I immediately tie it up again. I can't stand what it looks like. I don't know if you like me, but I don't love that. It's just too frizzy. I don't like it at all. And it's got like no personality. It's not a good one. Anyway, enough about that. Anyways, her before photos and after photos looked like, oh my gracious, I think I can maybe get those results. I've always enjoyed what curly hair looks like. I have a very dear friend who has the most exquisite curly hair. Gosh, I love it when she leaves it and it goes curly. So I was a little bit jelly and I wished I could do something like that. So I have now tried Ursula's technique and this is what it produces. So a little bit of backstory. My hair has got color on it and some highlights on it. About 18 months ago, I helped out one of my daughter's friends who was in the process of getting his trade license, and he desperately needed a model for a perm. Everyone that said yes then said no, so I thought, shame, I'll help the kid out and I will let him perm my hair. I was hoping for beautiful big juicy curls. It's not what I got. I got an 80s perm and I absolutely loathed it. The frizz was next level. I went to go and see my hairdresser who just shook her head at me, as you would, and so last year I had 2 Brazilian blowouts to try and straighten my hair again, and this year my hair has pretty much returned back to normal, to what it was. So without any further chit chat, let me show you how I have gone from this to this. Okay, so let's get cracking. What you want to do, you want to do your hair immediately after you get out of the bath or the shower. Once you've washed your hair needs to be very, very wet. Obviously, I have not just gotten out of the shower. My makeup is done. I'm testing a new foundation. But what I did do is I just re-wet my hair to make sure that it is quite wet. It's obviously not as wet as what it would be coming out of a shower, because usually it's dripping wet. What I first do is I just shake my hair a little bit just to get a little bit of the waves to make a bit of an appearance. I know this is what you have to do, but this is what I've been doing. So if you have a look, as I just shake my hair a little bit instead of brushing it out, you can definitely see that there is a little bit of texture. If I leave this to air dry exactly like this, my hair is going to look like exactly what it looked like in the before photo. It comes out quite frizzy and it's not my fashion. I don't like it. So these are the products that I've been using to help me get a little bit of curl in my hair. The first one is going to be a curling cream. This is the one that I found. I found that it works quite nicely. It is called the Dream Curls. This is by Frieda. So you're going to take a little bit, oh, it's so wet still. So you're going to take a bit on your hand and you're going to rub your hands together like that. And then I flip my hair and I put my hands together and I put the product in my hair. Like that, to make sure it's pretty much coated. And then what I'm going to do using my hands, I'm actually now going to scrunch my hair up. But I'm going to try and scrunch it as close as I can to the top of my head, because I would like to get a little bit of volume going as well. And I just think curls look so beautiful when they're just not big and beautiful and bouncy. So this is what I'm going to do on this side, and you want to take your time and you want to make sure that product is definitely in there. And whatever you've done on one side, you then need to do the other side. And you can hear as I'm scrunching that my hair is still very, very wet. And that, I think, is the key from what I've picked up from the accounts that I follow. Okay, so we can see the texture has changed quite considerably. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my second product, and that is going to be a mousse. I'm going to be using the same brand, which is John Frieda's brand, and this is the Frizz Ease Dream Curls and Curl Reviver Mousse. And it has heat protection, which I quite like. Let's give it a shake. I don't know how much you're supposed to use, but this is what I've been using. And again, just putting it on the hair. And once again scrunching. Let's go the other side. Okay, so my products are in. Now what I want to do is I want to get rid of that extra moisture. I'm not going to use a towel. I'm going to use an old t-shirt, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to scrunch my hair, and I'm just going to take some of the moisture out of my hair so that it maybe reduces my drying time. And using a t-shirt apparently helps that there won't be any frizz. So now you can see my texture has completely changed in my hair. So what I can do is, if I'm feeling lazy, I can let it air dry and the curls just will be very soft. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to use a diffuser. I'm going to dry my hair so I've got a bit of volume. So there we go. I'm a little bit warm from the hairdryer, but the hair is dry, well, pretty much 90% dry. And I just absolutely love what this looks like. I love the small curls. I think it looks so pretty, and it's just so nice to have another option for those days when I don't want to have to tie it up in a bun. I have been really enjoying discovering this other side of my hair. I don't think it really matters in terms of branding what hair products you use. These products I found on Click's beauty special, but all the videos that I have watched in learning how to manage your hair and bring out the curls in your hair, they recommend using a cream and a mousse, and there are some ladies out there who also use a gel as a third step. I haven't tried that. I might give that a go and see, but for now I'm actually quite enjoying this little routine. I love what my hair looks like. It's just so fun, quick and easy. Well, that is it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you found it informative and fun. If you did, won't you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It would be so awesome to have you as part of the family. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.